Dear friends, in this video I am going to explain an error which I got when I was working in a Nest.js project. First I will show you the error. Let me run the command npm install. Look at here, I got the error. Let me read the error for you. Code EPERM syscall mkdir path d /errno -4048 error EPERM operation not permitted mkdir d /. So the error is operation not permitted make directory d /. In the error message itself, there is some suggestions. The operation was rejected by your operating system. It is possible that the file was already in use by a test editor or antivirus, or that you lack permissions to access it. If you believe this might be a permissions issue, please double check the permissions of the file and its containing directories, or try running the command again as root administrator. A complete log of this run can be found in a location path is given here. Let us click on open file in editor. Look at here, we got that this is the complete detail regarding this error. Okay, before going to explain the solution for this problem, I have a request. Please consider to subscribe my channel, because by subscribing my channel you are actually encouraging me to create more videos like this. By this way it may help you or others in the future. Now let us discuss about the solution. When I got this error, I tried all these suggestions. I checked whether the file was already in use, whether I opened the same file in another text editor, or it was accessed by any antivirus which is in my system. And I checked whether the permission issue. Finally, I found that all these are fine with my project file. There is no issue with these things. Any antivirus issue, any other instance of test editor is opened with this same file, or any permission issues. So I should found the actual problem behind this issue. Finally, I found that when I run npm install, it will look for a file package.json on this same directory, in this my project directory. When I check here, the root level, there is no package.json file. There is no package.json file at the root level of this my project directory. So when I run this npm install, I got this error because I mistakenly deleted that package.json. When I check recycle bin, I can see that my package.json file is here. Let me right click and restore. Let me go to my project directory. Here I have package.json file now. Now let me clear the terminal and run npm install again. Look at here, my npm install command is working now. So This way you can solve this error. Once again, I request you to subscribe my channel, because by subscribing you are actually encouraging me to create more videos like this which may help you or others in the future. Thank you.